In this video, we're going to tell you about how we sanitize our cabin, and then at the end tell you about other things we do to try to help prevent getting a virus.
Hi y'all, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Becky.
And together we're cruising good time.
In the news lately, there have been so many discussions about infections, and there's a lot of different things you can catch on a cruise ship, Norovirus being one of the biggest things that come out. And we have gotten on cruise ships that literally had an outbreak on the cruise before us and the cruise we were on. And we've used these techniques on over 40 cruises, and the worst we've ever come down with is a cold. So what we've had good luck with is buying just some cheap disinfecting wipes and wiping down every surface in the cabin before we get too settled in, and maybe doing a few places later on. So places like the phone, people forget about it. It's really, really important. This is one of the main places that there's a lot of germs in the room, that and the remote control of the TV. So it's important that's really, really well cleaned. And it's really important, make sure that you're going to get all these spaces, and like this is all where we're going to have like different medicines. So we want it to be clean, and I'm probably going to do this one twice. And the second time through. And be sure to get these big countertops. One of the dirtiest things in the room is the remote control. So be extra careful and ensure that you get everything on your remote control. Make sure you hit every single surface. Maybe even do it a couple times with a fresh wipe. Once again, the focus is on anywhere that you think you're going to be touching. The light fixtures are a big deal. Be sure to get absolutely every handle and do a good job with this. And I might even clean these a couple times throughout the cruise, and the lock, all these surfaces that you might be touching. And right over here, we also have our light switches, which of course everybody touches. So it's really important to clean those, and maybe even get these a couple times during your cruise. More controls. Fortunately, I mess up everything on the temperatures when I do this, so we'll have to reset it. And once again, be sure to get absolutely every handle. So once again, it's like any surface that you think you might be touching. So any of the surfaces, once again, this is the one everybody touches, so be sure to get it super clean. Another one of those really important things that we're all going to be touching. And once again, we're just thinking about every surface that we're going to touch while we're in the shower. Be sure to get everything that's a handle that you're opening a door from all the angles. And in fact, on these, it makes sense that you try to like daily come in and touch these up if it's a handle that you think your room steward may have used while they're in, etc. Yeah, this is going to need a couple cleanings. As promised, we're going to tell you about little things we do to help prevent us from catching a virus. And number one is like you go into a buffet or before any dinner, be sure to wash your hands with soap and water. And then if you've used any tongs, it makes sense to go ahead and wash your hands again before you eat. If you go into a bathroom and wash your hands, don't open the bathroom door with your hands. Sometimes there's something you can like use a sensor to swipe across, use your elbow to push the button, or use a paper towel to open the door and then throw it away.
And the simplest thing is if they make a hand sanitizer available, just use it wherever you walk by. Even if you're not going to eat, it doesn't hurt to sanitize your hand when you just walk by and kind of rub some on.
You use a lot of stairs when aboard a cruise ship. So after you've used stairs, try to use hand sanitizer or drop into a bathroom, wash your hands per the technique discussed above. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a hype.
And please give us a subscribe right now because we have a lot of different playlists on different types of cruise lines, different destinations. You don't want to miss any of this critical cruise information. So subscribe right now.
Until next time, have a cruising good time.